Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Wait, I should put on my Magicraft hat. Can you pass the Magicraft hat? Magicraft hat. It's got Warrior, but the logo of Magicraft. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen. I'm going to show you some of my trades. My order yesterday, if you followed my videos from the days before, it triggered on Bitcoin. So I bought it at 28,500, which is beautiful. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen. Luna also today, they did a vote about forking the Luna chain. They're going to fork it. What that means is they're going to take the existing code and recreate it without UST. And they put it to a vote. And at the moment, the vote is like 89% in favor of this fork of Luna without UST. I'm going to explain that in the video and what that means. But actually, let's do it now. So what it means is they're going to recreate Luna. It's going to be, the new name will be Luna. The old chain, so the old tokens of Luna will be called Luna Classic. And anyone that owned Luna before the break of the peg with UST, they will get 40% of their Luna will go into this new Luna. So they'll get 40%. So if you had 1 million Luna before, you'll get 400,000 Luna in the new fork. They're going to make 1 billion tokens of the new Luna. The problem is, with this solution, they're going to only use 10% of the new supply to reimburse the UST holders that lost the DPEG. So it's not really the best solution, but it is the solution that's going to keep Luna active, and they want to keep the ecosystem going because it's a big brand and a big ecosystem. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. I wanted my fiance to say now at the same time, but she's too busy on her phone. We go into on the 4 hourly, and Bitcoin had a bit of a drop yesterday, but still not making lower lows. And it perfectly, if you're doubting technical analysis, you've been following my blue lines, right? Everyone's been following my 2 blue lines on Bitcoin. So you're looking at Bitcoin moving for the last few days. When we had that big drop on Luna UST, went to 26, bounced back to 31, and we made this blue channel. And I've been drawing this blue channel for the last few weeks. The last week, since the 12th of May, you can see that Bitcoin's been moving between this blue channel, which is 28,000. The channel sits between 28,500 and 31,000. And you can see yesterday, if you're doubting technical analysis, you can see perfectly how Bitcoin bounced off that blue trend line to the dollar. Look at that, everyone. It was like literally, I think it was a bit $2 off. But that's, if you're doubting technical analysis and you still haven't learned technical analysis, you haven't learned trading, take my crypto course. The link is in the description, pin comment if you want, and learn what I'm teaching you. Don't just watch my videos. I want you to actually learn what is happening here. I'm doing all of this from my phone by the pool. This is where I live, in address Skyview. I'm doing all of this from my phone. Like, I do my trading, I make my videos, I run my Magicraft, the business is more than 100 employees, all from my phone. And you can learn this stuff in the crypto course. So we had this big bounce here. We bounced off 28,500 and now we're sitting at 29,100. So my trade executed at 28,500 like I talked about. Now the problem is a little bit of volume the volume's been dropping off. Squeeze mob is going from the red to the green side. So we're going to get hopefully some recovery bounce here. Stochastic is oversold heading up. That's a very good sign. That's usually the time to be buying. When it's overbought like here, that's the time to be selling, like it was here. When it's oversold like here, as I teach you in the crypto master course, in the description pin comment, that's the time to start buying. So I actually added to that trade. RSI is also still heading up. It's making higher lows, which is a good sign as well. EMA ribbons, we got rejected off the EMA ribbons again, and we got to keep expecting that. Till we break through them, we got to keep expecting every time we come to the EMA ribbons, it's going to get dropped off. VPVR, there is major resistance now at $30,000. Crypto Guru bot hasn't fired a buy yet, still showing a red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot hasn't fired a buy. It fired a sell up there and it hasn't fired a buy yet. On the hourly charts, we got that bounce. Volume is increasing. Let's see the stochastic RSI on the hourly chart. Stochastic oversold, still heading up. RSI still heading up. Squeeze mob is going to the green side. So I think we're going to get a run. Now, I opened that trade. If you followed my video yesterday, I'm going to show you my trade, and then I'm going to show you where I would open the trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment of this video, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on this video. hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 subscribers, click the join button to follow my trades live in Bitcoin, crypto, stocks. I bought a bunch of stocks yesterday as well on the bottom. And in the description, if you sign up to Bybit, this link down below, you get a sign up bonus of $4,600 US now when you sign up to Bybit and you start trading. 4,600. You can also join our Telegram chat. You can use NordVPN if the exchanges give you any hassles, and you can use take the crypto master course. I have 6,000 students taking this course now to learn what I'm doing here. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well to just see like my posts and what I'm doing. I'm going to show you my trades now and where I would open a trade. So in this account, I have $191,000. It's still down around $8,000 since a few days ago, since we had that drop from 31. I've got BIT, $43,000 of BIT. I've got USDT, 36,000, Bitcoin, 29. I've got one Bitcoin in here, CRV, 23,000. I've got a Bitcoin long open that it added more to my long. So yesterday the trade was 3,000. Now it's almost a $4,000 trade. It's down 2%. It was positive quite a bit, but now it's down. But I added more here. It added more to the trade at 28,500. Now it's sitting at 29,100 almost. So just down a little bit, but I am going to add to my position until we break that support. So if you haven't gone long on Bitcoin, where I would open the long is actually right where we're sitting right now. My stop loss below this support's here at 27,400, and the take profit at the top of this blue trend line. If you want to do a smaller trade, I would actually do it right beneath this the blue channel, because as I've been saying, Bitcoin is bouncing between this channel. So now I would be going long to go to the upper end of this channel, 31,000, until the local channel breaks. So stop loss at 28,400, risking $709. Take profit at $31,289. So risking $700 to make $2,100 unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, that's $21,000 of profits. 3-ratio trade. So that's a really nice trade to be taking. I actually added to that trade earlier today with this drop. My trades automatically executed. Over on Binance as well, in this account this account survived well during the drop. 400,483 US dollars, 400,000, 13.75 Bitcoin, real money in here. Actually, yesterday it went up a lot. We were at 412,000 in this account. Now it's back down to 400. So it went from 400 to 412, and then today back to 400. So yesterday's P&L is down 12,800. I've got BNB in here, which is about 94,000 BNB, which I bought $80,000 worth. So that's holding quite well. My trade didn't execute, unfortunately. I had a trade at 260. BNB went to 280 something, but it didn't hit that 260. I've also got Luna, 1 million Luna in here, but it's now just $136. But I will be getting that percentage of Luna when they fork the code. And I've got 3 Bitcoin in here. I'm buying the dip. As we go down, I'm going to be adding more to my positions here. On my trades, I've got a buy order for Bitcoin at 28,584, which it just missed executing. That's unfortunate. Today, it just missed executing. 2854. Let's see how low we got. And I've got BNB 260 buy. I'm going to buy 260 BNB, 192 BNB at 260. Let's see how low Bitcoin got before it bounced, because it just missed executing my trade by a few dollars. It went to 28,633. So I missed buying that other Bitcoin by $50, unfortunately, or it would already be in the profits. But those are my trades over on Bybit. You can, again, sign up to Bybit here in the description, pin comment. You get that bonus 4,600 when you deposit Bitcoin and start trading. Also, I'm going to show you some cool stuff. This is the UI that's coming along for the Magicraft game. It looks epic. They're building the studios and the smart contract developers. We have a team of more than 100 people building the Magicraft game, full-time employees. And it's just doing amazing. This is the UI interface. This is what it's starting to look like for the MVP. The MVP is all coming together now, and will be released soon, which is going to be epic. This is some just glimpses of inside the MVP and how it will be working. Thanks, James. I learned a lot with your non-financial advice videos. That's right, people. This is not financial advice. I am showing you what I do with my money. This is what I do with my money, and I make videos about it. Now I have more than 100,000 people following me across the socials. You have to make your own due diligence with your money. I'm not giving you advice. I'm showing you what I'm doing with my money and my knowledge that I've learned for 20 years. Also, but that's, thanks for all the knowledge. God bless you. Thank you. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but you're right again. You're ridiculous with it, brother. I believe the next few months will be the best time for investors in history. Exactly, crypto train. I believe the same thing. Right now, I started buying more Bitcoin. I'm buying a lot of stocks. The time to sell Bitcoin was November 11th, when I gave that huge warning to everyone. I said, this is the top. I think this is the top. And I sold everything. that was the time to be selling. In my opinion, now is the time to be buying. Again, my thoughts and what I'm doing with my money, not advice. The Devoted Studios, this is everything they're building with the MVP. It's all coming together beautifully. Many things are being completed. UX, preloader screen, hero screen, item pop-up, setting screen, inventory, quest screen, exit the pop-up window, UI map and mission screen, adaption. Many things from the MVP are coming together. The animations of characters, they've done the Archer, the Night Lurker, the Mage, the Centaur, the 2D, 3D artwork, rework, weapons, mages, druids. They're building some amazing stuff. It's a play-to-earn game. Also, you can see here that there's a Tesla to be won. That's right, within them, if you mint a Magicraft NFT, the public mint is now live at magicraft.io. The characters will be used in the game. They're going to give you special utilities, and there's one Tesla hidden within the NFTs. And that will only be revealed when the public sale ends. Then all the NFTs will be revealed, and there'll be one Tesla hidden inside one of the NFTs. So make sure you go to magicraft.io to follow up on that Tesla giveaway. We've got one Tesla hidden within our NFTs. This is some of the Magicraft team all working together. These are smart contract developers. They're just very smart people. We've got Matej CEO, Mario VC, seed investor, Nikita, quality engineer. It's just an amazing team. It's not me doing all of this. It's 100 people plus working on everything. Also follow me on Twitter because I share a lot of cool stuff over on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I've got 34,000, almost 35,000 followers on Twitter. This was me calling the exact top of Bitcoin on November 10th. And I'm going to show you a warning. There is a warning that I'm seeing across the markets. Again, we're overbought on a lot of weeklies on the charts, and I'm just seeing top signals again. Now, we haven't had this blow off top where the prices go crazy and we have 50% spikes in a day. That's always a warning to get out when we have some ridiculous spikes in one day. We're not having that yet. But there is signs that we are coming close to the top on a lot of different charts, especially Bitcoin breaking all-time highs, but not running very strong. And that's something, a cause to be concerned about. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict where it's going to... And then the next day, this was on the 11th of November, as you can see here, 10th of November. Then the next day, I closed all trades. And as you can see here on Bitcoin, look at this. That video was the 10th of November. That, in my opinion, was the time to be going short on Bitcoin. Now I closed all my trades there and went mostly into USDT. Now I'm splitting my USDT between USDC and BUSD, by the way. And now I'm starting to buy back into the markets heavily. So now going short is not really the time. It was back then was the time to be going short, in my opinion. You have to always do your own due diligence. Games Fund is investing $600 million into the game industry in play to earn, which is going to be epic. Major vote for the fork of Luna without UST. Do you agree? 38% yes, 38% no, 24% seeing results. So it's very evenly split at the moment in people's opinions. Which altcoin? Meet the Magicraft team. This is we're going to start doing this, introducing each of our team members. There's more than 100 of them, which is beautiful. So that's what I'm doing in the markets. Those are my thoughts. That's the Magicraft NFT. That's what's happening with Solana. There was a lot in this video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up this thumbs up button. Let's smash it to new all-time highs so we beat the YouTube algorithm. You're such an amazing community. I'm starting to buy stocks and Bitcoin down here, but I'm laddering in as we come down. If we go lower, I'm going to buy more. But now is the time, in my opinion, where I'm starting to buy more. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. She's still on the phone.